Hi, I'm Pawan. Happy Grandparents Day. I love you.
Hello friends, my name is Devansh and my grandma and mother is Padmavatama. She will feed me and రోజు ఫుడ్ పెట్టి నేను అమ్మ నా అరుస్తుంది అమ్మమ్మ అమ్మని అరుస్తుంది.
Grandpa, this song is just for you. Grandpa, you are the best and I love you.
I love you too, Granny. Happy Grandparents Day.
Nanu, Nani, Daddy, I love you a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot. Daddy, thank you for getting me down and doing Jula Jula on the strings. Nani, thank you for giving me surprise treats and treats and treats and treats. Surprises and surprises and surprises. Nanu, thank you for building me so many castles for me, and thank you for building me some blocks. I love you all a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot.
Grandparents are a bridge of love and stars. They sparkle and shine. And I love you, grandparents. Thank you. Happy Grandparents Day, Nani Tata, and happy Grandparents Day, Amma Chiti Tata.
Love you all.
Love you all. Happy Grandparents Day, Amma Tataya, Gundu Tataya, Nani. I love them so much. I miss them so much. Bye. Happy Grandparents Day to Amma, Tata, to Amma, Chin Tata, to Big Nani, Big Tata. I love you all. Hello everybody, my name is Amaya and I love my grandparents a lot. Happy Grandparents Day. Hi everyone, I'm Anish. Happy Grandparents Day. I love my grandparents. Hi, I am Aryashi. I love my grandparents. Happy Grandparents Day.
Hi everybody, my name is Akshay and I love my grandparents and they love me and they give me nice food to eat and like ice creams, cookies, chocolates and fruit.
Hi Mama. Hi Chotata. Hi Gopi Tata. Hi Nani. Happy Grandparents Day. Thank you for everything. I love you to the moon and back. Mwah. Happy Grandparents Day. Nani Nana. Dada. Daddy. I miss you so much. Bye.
Start.
Happy. Hi Nana. Hi Berry Mama. Hi Berry Papa. Happy Grandparents Day. I love you.
Happy Grandparents Day, Ma, Nanu, I love you. Hello everyone, I am Yash. I want to send a message to my grandparents. दादा दादी नाना नानी सारे जग में न्यारे, सीधे सच्चे सबसे अच्छे, मुझको लगते प्यारे. सोच रहा हूँ मैं अपने मन में, तू बड़ा हो जा.